That's right.
I latched right onto that. See, I passed this babbling brook last night at some point, I think.
You did pass me then.
Well, actually, no, because this same babbling brook, I think, comes out several times, so maybe it wasn't here. Maybe it was somewhere else.
I don't know.
Sharp right here.
Did you get cold last night at all?
No.
Really?
Well, you know.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say cold. I would say at moments, I put the sleeping bag over my head. You know what I'm saying? Like, I definitely wanted to be, like, completely covered. But with that, I seem to be okay. Definitely long sleeve, though. No way I would have gone, like, short sleeve. That would have been a mistake. No, there's a lot of curves. There's definitely a lot of curves. I'm more worried about the way back, the dusk kind of curves.
Oh.
That's why I want to follow you and your big-ass Harley.
Right. My big-ass Harley. You say my Harley has a big ass?
It certainly does. Have you taken a look at it? Look at my ass. Look at
There's a sound bite.
Did you see that?
Yeah, it's a cave. Yeah, it looks like a cave.
That was very cool. Like, that legit looked like a, you know, actual animal cave.
You go in there and there's bones of motorcyclists.
Even this cool, like separation here, this is a little weird.
Probably getting ready to go to 4-lane? I don't know.
Yeah, something, that was weird.
Alright, why would they do that?
I don't remember that happening last night. Or I couldn't see it because it was so damn pitch black.
Oh, I know. When the sun goes down, it gets dark.
This isn't your average everyday darkness. This is advanced darkness.
Look at the sun and the mountain. See, I also just wanted to see all this. This time of day is the best, and in the forest you can't see any of it.
Because you're in the forest.
Well, look at this! Are you kidding me? It's not the same. Look at the clouds. Look at the blue sky over there. Like, it's daylight here. All right, we're taking a right here at the stop sign.
Gotcha. Thank you, ma'am.
Love these little, like, wooded mountains. They're the best. Little creeks everywhere. Elk Park, that's where we're headed. So close. I mean, it's in miles it's close, but because of all the windiness, it takes a little bit more.
Right. So if you went straight up and down the mountain.
Okay, where do you think the state line is?
Probably where North Carolina touches Tennessee.
Welcome to North Carolina, state line! Woohoo! North Carolina, baby. We're in my state, not yours. Now you do what I say.
Yes, ma'am. I will.
All these places, like, what are they? Is it a restaurant? No, it feels like a... What the hell is that, the Eagle's Nest? Like, look at this. What is that fencing? I think it's like a lodging place.
Maybe.
Pretty cool. Look, what is going on? The River Club? The Fish Club? What's with the stone fences, man? That's pretty cool.
I think we got into the rich section. You okay up there? You smoking again? What's wrong with you?
That is not what happened. That is not how I recall the conversation. Do you tape the audio or just the video?
What? Me? Now we're hitting more clouds.
Alright, well, are the deers in bed at this time?
Probably because it's raining.
You think, right? Like, just to not have to worry about everything at the same time.
No,
like,
they're not.
Like
they're
this curve, the rain, the darkness, the deer, that you're getting too far ahead of me.
Am I too far? Oh, shit.
No, you're fine. I'm just saying there's so much shit to keep in my mind.
Just watch my sexy, fat-ass bike.
Well, you certainly have a lot of lights on it, I'll tell you.
Whenever we get to a spot where you can look up at the moon.
Wow, yeah.
Freaking witches, I tell you.
I tell you, Anthony, that was not happening last night. There wasn't a freaking drop of moonlight anywhere to be had. It was overcast, apparently.